Hey, I'm Jamie from the Crafters Workshop. We are here at Creativation 2020. I'm going to show you two new stencils from Connie Shaw. She's a new designer for us. She's on our design team. The first one is Fancy Mandala, and Connie played around and drew this on her own. And she's a very interesting lady. She made some gorgeous samples for us, and we just fell in love with her work. I love the rhythm, I love the circularness of it, I love how organic it is. It doesn't look like it came from a computer. It was all hand-drawn, inch by inch. We worked together on every step of the way, and I'm so thrilled at how it came out. And then she has a second one. We called it Striped Mandala. Again, it's circular. She loves playing with all of these shapes. She loves the rhythm and the balance. But again, a computer didn't make this. This was all hand-drawn by Connie. So it makes it very personal. And I think you'll really enjoy it the way you would use any of the other mandalas that we sell. That one is done with modeling paste, by the way. So again, it can be sponged, it can be modeling paste, you can do a monoprint. Possibilities are endless. I hope you enjoyed this. See you soon.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2020 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.